Hi, my name is Miss Raina, and if you're watching this screencast, that means that you're a new student in my class and I would like to welcome you. I know that we're going to do a lot of great work together. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own website within Google Apps for Education. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Google website. Okay, type in www.google.com, hit enter, and now we're at the Google website. What we're going to do right now is we're going to sign in. This is the same way you sign in if you've got a Gmail account. So click sign in. When I handed you your computer today, I also handed you a slip of paper that contained a username and a password. And what we're going to do is we're going to type our username in here, and we're going to type our password, which is the word password, down below. I've created a test account for the purpose of creating this video today, so while I type in my username here, you're going to type in your information. My student today is Juan Test. That's JTest at sdjccs.net. So you'll be putting your own information in here and followed by the at sdjccs.net. And then you're going to type in the word password. Okay, and now you're going to sign in. Now it looks like we just returned to the Google homepage, but what I want you to notice is that you are now logged in, and you will know that you're logged in because you'll see your own personal information up here in the corner. There's a lot of things we could do here. We could look at images, we could check our mail. What we're going to do today is we're going to go to Sites. And we are going to create our own website, so please click Create. You have two choices here. You can either create your own blank template, or you can use a template that has already been created for you. And I have created a template for this class, so that's the one we're going to go to. So I would like you to click on Browse the Gallery for more. Because we're logged into the JCCS domain, what we're seeing here is any template that any JCCS teacher has posted for their students. Currently, this is the only one we see posted. So that's where we're going to go. Click right here, please. What you see now is a thumbnail of that template. You're going to be able to change the colors and make it your own. And what I'm going to have you do is click on Preview Template. Okay, this is the template that we're going to work with today. I've created tabs for you. This is where you're actually going to put the work that you create in class, and I've also created a list of links. These are websites that we frequently go to while we're in class, but your name isn't on the top yet. I want you to make this your own, and the way you're going to do that is you're going to click on Use this template. Notice NCTSA 2B student template is highlighted. That's the template we're working with, but now we're going to name it. And we're going to name it beginning with the name of our class. So that's going to be NCTSA 2B. Then you're going to give it a space, and you're going to put your full first name. Remember, I'm working with Juan. Give it another space, and then your last initial. So that's NCTSA 2B, space, your first name, space, and then your last initial. Now there's a high probability that I'll have another Juan T in my class at some point, and we want to make this website unique to this particular Juan T, just as we want to make your website unique to you. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to Site Location. I'm going to click after the T right here. You'll click after your last initial, and you're going to add the 4 numbers that you see on your username, the piece of paper that I gave to you earlier on today. You're going to put those 4 numbers right here. Juan's 4 numbers are 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, but you're going to have your own, so put those 4 numbers right now. Then scroll down just a little bit. Now we're going to select a theme. This is how we personalize our website. There are a lot of themes to choose from, and I want you to remember that whatever you choose today you won't be stuck with. So spend a minute looking at them. Choose the colors that you like the best. I like the one called Branches, so I'm going to click on that. It's highlighted, so this will be my theme. The last thing I'm going to have you do is click Create. This takes a minute, but when it comes up, the website is going to be your own. And there you are. Juan is logged in to JCCS Google Apps for Education. He has now named his website. It is his own. And he has all of the tabs and all the links that I have created for him. He now has his own website. The last thing I'd like you to do, and this is something that you should be conscious of anytime you're logged on to Edmodo or any kind of website that requires you to log in, you need to be aware that you need to log out. That's really important because the next person that opens this computer could end up on your website and they could do a whole bunch of wonderful things to it that you probably wouldn't want them to do. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to sign out. So I'm going to click on sign out. And this ends your tutorial on how to create a site on Google Apps for Education.